What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I've been super busy. Obviously everybody has the holidays, but we had a stretch of like 3 days where the temperatures were below zero, and with the wind chill it was like -30. So I had a bunch of issues going on at home. My furnace wasn't working right. It was getting somewhat warm, but not getting to temp. And then on the same day, the faucet in the kitchen had a frozen water line, which corrected itself, thankfully. But my house has there's just air leaks everywhere. It's not insulated properly, and the list goes on and on. But today, I wanted to show you guys a new product that I finally got my hands on that I've been waiting to try to find in the store, and it's been out of stock forever, and finally came in stock. If you guys seen my previous videos, I've switched mostly to the DeWalt T-Stacks and Craftsman Versastacks. They're interchangeable. They work in conjunction with each other. They have been working really, really well in my van. I got these because I think it's going to work out better. I do have some of those big, tall, clear plastic ones, but they just don't work out for me. But you know, the parts toolbox is this tall, you know, so you've got all this wasted space in there. So finally, they have come out with something that is a lot skinnier, and I think is going to work out better for me. And I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what they are. Okay, like I mentioned, here's one of the boxes I have, which, as you can see, is a big tall box. And it's okay if you got a lot of fasteners in here, and I got a lot in here. Okay, it's just regular screws in case I need them. Trim screws, these are all storm door screws. Some more storm door parts, more trim screws. But see how deep these are? Even all these screws in here is still wasting all this space. So here's what I finally got my hands on. The new Craftsman Versastack organizers. I got an 8 compartment one, and then I got the larger 20 compartment one. Now here's a Craftsman parts bin that I found. Actually, I think I found this one at Menards possibly. But this is not compatible with the T-Stacks or the Versastacks. But it is an awesome case, other than, you know, see, it's been beat up. I broke it. But see how all these smaller, tiny fasteners fit in there? So much better because they got these little tinier compartments. See, these are little tiny screws, anchors I keep in here. And I'm like, man, they need to come out with something for the Versastacks like that, or the DeWalt T-Stacks. And as you can see the difference? So it's about half the size. Okay, so here it is, half the size. And this was just such a good idea. I'm so glad they finally came up with this and did this. So there's a lot more space for smaller parts. It's got the clear lid. It's got the water resistant seal around the edge. These actually come in and out. You can move them. So then I also bought the smaller one just to try it out, just to see how it goes. But so if you got, you can have multiples of these stacked on top of each other. And then these here, what they do is they got a little lip in the back here. That part slides into there, just underneath it to hold it. And then this side has the clip to clip it in. So it has a carrying handle to carry it. Once it's clipped on, it's perfect. Best idea ever. So there it is, clipped onto the one of the Versastack boxes. This is the 2-drawer one. So as you can see, that's just kind of what I got in there. And then this one fits on the top. Like I had mentioned, I've been using the Versastacks and the DeWalt T-Stacks for quite a while now, and they have just been working out great. It's not your end-all be-all for job site boxes. It's definitely not the strongest out there, but if you are a handyman like me, where you're doing a bunch of different stuff, I like to be able to just grab and go really easy. So having these drawers like this is just awesome. It's a great idea. And then I feel like it's almost icing on the cake because they came out with these small bins now and they clip onto here. I think that's just the best idea ever. I hope they keep doing it. I hope they come out with even more of these, but these slim ones compared to these bigger ones, I think is what makes a really huge difference. Last thing, I got these boxes from Lowe's on their website. They don't carry them in the stores as far as I know. I haven't checked since I got them, but as far as I know, they don't. The shipping was super fast. I ordered them on the 20th of December and got them on the 23rd, so that was pretty impressive. But it's a great addition if you're a handyman. You got a lot of tiny parts, a lot of small electrical connectors, plumbing parts. It's perfect for that. All right, hope you guys had a good Christmas. Have a good New Year's. Stay safe. Don't forget, give me those thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.